Number 5. Sony VW325ES. Full native 4K resolution. High dynamic range brings a wider contrast range. High brightness of 1500 lumens. Input lag reduction ensures faster refresh rate for gamers. Tri-luminous display for wider array of rich colors. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Optoma UHD35. 4K Ultra HD with 8.3 million distinct addressable on-screen pixels. Ultra-fast 240Hz gaming for blur-free visuals. Experience next-level gaming on a huge screen. Project images up to 300 inches with incredible details. Enjoy up to 15,000 hours of lamp life. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Samsung The Premier. 4K resolution delivers cinema-like picture. Contrast with 2200 lumens. 30-watt speakers deliver a room-filling sound. The Premier automatically adjusts settings to help games run smoothly. This compact projector can turn any room into a home theater. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. BenQ TK800M. 4K UHD image quality with high clarity and crisply defined details. BenQ Projector optimized HDR features natural auto HDR color. Ideally balanced high visual brightness and vivid colors. Tone rendering for significant brightness and contrast. Dedicated football and sports modes. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Epson Home Cinema 4010. Advanced 3 LCD technology displays 100% of the RGB color signal. Real-time 12-bit analog to digital video processing. Capable of displaying 4K content at an incredible 2400 lumens. 3-axis motorized precision lens. Remote control with AA batteries. Please check the description for details and best price.